everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered how do I start with AI and machine learning, this video is your ultimate roadmap. No jargon, no confusion, just a clear path to get you from zero to absolutely AI ready. Step 1. Build your foundation. Before you jump into machine learning models, you need a strong base. Start with these three. Number 1. The basics of maths. Learn statistics, probability, and a bit of linear algebra. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math wizard. Just understand the concepts like mean, variance, and correlation. Number 2. Programming. Python is going to be your best friend. Learn how to handle data, write simple functions, and use libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Number 3. Data handling. Practice cleaning messy data sets on Kaggle, because real-world data is never perfect. Step number 2. Learn core machine learning. Once your foundation is solid, it's time for the fun part, that is machine learning. So start with the basics. Linear regression, decision trees, k-mean clustering. Then move on to advanced ones like random forest and gradient boosting. Use libraries like Scikit. Learn to practice. It's beginner friendly and widely used in the industry. Step 3. Get hands-on with projects. Learning theory is pretty simple, but the real magic happens when you build something. Start with small projects like predicting house prices, sentiment analysis on tweets, image classification. These projects will help you to understand how the models work, and they are perfect for your resume or portfolio as well. Step 4. Step into AI and deep learning. Now that you have got your basics in place, it's time to level up. Learn how neural networks work and explore deep learning with frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Then dive into natural language processing, that is NLP, where AI meets language, or computer vision, where machines learn to see. Step 5. Keep learning, keep building. AI ML is evolving every single day. Follow new trends, read research papers, and build projects that solve real problems. The more you experiment, the faster you grow. And remember, every expert once started as a beginner. If you want to learn AI and machine learning from industry experts with real-world projects, check out Learnbay's AI and ML programs. Learn practical, build smarter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such roadmaps.